Good morning, all of you. Actually, we are going to discuss about GATE 2023, everything in detail. So the main concept I'll be discussing after 2 minutes of some basic introduction, and keep watching the video, or you can just forward for a few seconds and then I'll jump to the main content. So first the basics. I have qualified GATE Aerospace 6 times, and again this year for 2023 I'm going to take GATE again, and I hope I'll qualify again. I'm taking GATE classes. I'm teaching GATE Aerospace subjects. It's been like the first year was 2014, so it's been 8+ years. I'm taking classes continuously for GATE Aerospace exam, and now my name is Vikas Shrivastava, and if you are watching me for the very first time, then you just go through all the videos, lists and all. I have mentioned properly. I have made proper playlists. Slowly I have improved my channel a lot, and there was one time when I used to upload video very irregular. When it was 2014, that time I was not having ConceptLibrary YouTube channel. I was working completely offline with my friends and with my juniors, not as a teacher, but it was just a very beginning journey. And today I was thinking like this particular thing I am trying to convert into like my complete studio, but I was so keen to upload the video, so I thought, okay, first let's make the video, because it's been so many days, and continuously students are approaching me about different queries, and I will talk about crash course, and I will also talk about the remaining 4 months, the way we should tackle this entire 4 months. Okay, that's all my intro over. Now come to the main point. In all these remaining 4 months, 4 months means this is I think 12th or 13th of September, and almost half September got over. Now we are remaining with half September here, and then October, November, December, Jan, these 4 months are remaining in detail. So whatever you want to do, you can finish all the concepts only in these 4 days. Students who are preparing from the last 1 year or 2 years, no problem with them, but students who have not started preparation yet, there is a huge chance to be fail in GATE exam, because you guys are not I should not say not being very serious, but actually frankly saying, it is not easy everyone's cup of tea to clear GATE exam in 4 months or 3 months or 5 months. It needs lot of heavy dedication if you want to qualify GATE exam like this in 4 months. Heavy dedication means, you actually see guys, every next person actually in your college itself, everyone is not preparing GATE exam. Why? They feel that it is very late, and because of that, all of you, whoever is watching this video, how to prepare this entire GATE session, whatever is remaining time. So many of your seniors and many of your juniors, they will never prepare for GATE exam, and they are never going to write GATE exam. They believe that they can be a better they can have a better future if they go abroad to perform their masters, like MTech, MS or something else from abroad countries, not from India. But they hesitate to take GATE exam because they feel GATE exam is very tough. But actually it is not the case. GATE exam is tough. Not only GATE exam, even 10th class polytechnic exam is very tough if you don't take the exam on time. Not only the exam on time, but you need proper focus, because time into focus gives you your success. Main thing, if you want to be successful in GATE exam, you have to complete the entire syllabus. Entire syllabus means whatever syllabus I am providing you, I'm very sorry, whatever syllabus is given by GATE authority, and whatever lectures I am teaching you, if you are going through all my lectures in detail, definitely there is chance that you will crack GATE exam like others. My all students in past, they have prepared very well, and they are sitting into IIT, they are enjoying their life, and definitely they will shape the country in aviation one day. Now it is your time, and listen, how will you shape now in these 4 months? If you have not prepared anything, no problem, whatever time is there, if you are willing to like somehow, in Sanskrit we say in Kain Prakaran, I want to qualify the exam. So now for those kind of students, listen, there is one Ramband fact. That fact is, you can convert this 4 month into 8 month. At least you can do this. How? You increase, just you double your input. You cannot increase your focus very soon. In 2-3 days you cannot gain the enough focus. But one thing is very clear, that if you will put more number of hours into your study, definitely you are going to take more output out of your study. What you will see, definitely if you will study for 2 hours and if you study for 8 hours, this is going to be more, right? 8 hours. So in that way, now this 4 months you have to run. Now I will classify the pattern, because I am going to talk everything for in these 4 months what we are going to discuss. See, first thing I'm talking about this is length of syllabus. Actually, length of syllabus is really lengthy for aerospace, and not only length of syllabus is lengthy, even you will not be able to understand few important topics like how to cover this particular part. For example, people are feeling very difficulty when they come to a basic chapter, elasticity in a structure. They feel very difficulty when when they prepare gas dynamics, like they understand few basic thermodynamics, but they don't understand normal shock wave, moving normal shock wave in detail. Till normal shock wave, expansion fan, they feel comfortable, but when it is like oblique shock wave or it is about moving shock wave, they feel very uncomfortable. See, you may be thinking that, sir, in 4 months, what is one line answer? Preparation is possible or not? Actually, in 4 months, preparation is possible. It depends on person to person. But see, it also depends what kind of material you are following. For example, if I'll give you TAG Maxon book, okay, this is the Maxon. People say it is God of aircraft structure. It's not like it is God of aircraft structure. See, book has good content, but that book is written for aircraft structure. That book is not written for GATE aerospace aircraft structure. Try to understand one basic example. People mix sugar in tea or coffee, and then they take that tea or coffee. People mix sugar in sweet also, right? We go to shop and we purchase the sweet like rasgulla, gulab jamun, whatever you say, barfi or something. My point is, amount of sweet, where to add, how much to add, that matters. It's not like you have sweet, then you add in coffee also, you add in tea also, and the same amount of tea you add in. No. That amount, I mean to say, the percentage of content, the quality content is very, very important. So if you are following, like some of my students, they join me in regular batch, and they like after being a proper friendship, they said, sir, should we complete entire Maxon? I said, yes, complete, because it is their wish. I never say that complete entire Maxon. Guys, understand, completing any book is not the key of being successful in GATE exam. GATE exam is all about one question 1 mark, one question 2 mark, that's all. And from where the question will come, don't even expect that question will come from Maxon book or question will come from this particular book. For example, people are thinking, okay, complete Radhakrishnan for gas dynamics and we are going to qualify GATE. No man, if you want to qualify GATE exam, enough smartness should be there from your side. First thing, it's not like, okay, this is my video course, complete this video course and you will be qualified. No. I will provide you content. Okay, I am talking actually something else now. I'll come back to this point. I mean to make this video because I wanted to share my experience, like in these 4 months, what is the best strategy we can expect. Okay, so first of all, see, in these 4 months, you have to select that portion what you feel easier to complete. Don't even touch that portion what you feel you have to learn a lot of in this portion. No, don't touch that portion. You see, all the aptitude, either that is going to be verbal or numerical, in that again you have problem. Verbal aptitude, don't even touch. Don't touch verbal aptitude. You focus only on numerical aptitude. Again, in numerical aptitude, don't touch probability and statistics, because definitely there is chance that question will come up, that question will appear in the exam. There is chance, because in previous years that question from probability. But problem is not about leaving the question. Why I am saying to drop some topics? Because if you will carry, or if that topic is in your mind that, okay sir, I am going to complete this topic, and that will be very, very helpful, man. Forget about all those topics, okay? One question 1 mark, next question 2 mark. Think in this way. You have to gain the marks. You don't have to be like, okay, you don't have to think like attitude, man, I have to practice probability or something. No. Leave that. See, in worst case, you consider right now you are remaining in the worst case, because only 4 months are remaining. Only 4 months are remaining. If you have not prepared yet, then the best situation is filter out of all the subjects, what are the subjects you can understand in easier way. If you can do flight mechanics, complete flight mechanics, at least atmosphere, performance, and easy maneuvering. If you are not able to understand pull up, pull down, leave that pull up, pull down. You just focus on landing performance and takeoff performance. You focus on street level flight and those kind of performance. Don't worry about, and see, in that case, don't even touch aircraft stability and control. And even though if you are going into that, just static stability part is enough, or easier dynamic stability part is enough for longitudinal case like phagoid motion or short-wave motion. Don't even think that I have to be master in this. You will spoil your time. Where I'm trying to take you that filter out whatever is easier for you, so that at least in worst case you can qualify the GATE exam. Even though if you are preparing for 1 complete year or 2 complete year, there are so many examples people are not able to qualify GATE exam even though they are completing 100% syllabus. So what is the key to qualify GATE exam? Main key is your own smartness. Whatever teacher is teaching, whatever your friend is guiding, whatever who is guiding, doesn't matter. Your own smartness will be main factor to qualify GATE exam. If you are preparing for 2 years, 3 years, but you are not able to qualify very good exam, GATE exam, then it means what? You are lagging somewhere. That lag may be natural, or that lag maybe you are not able to improve, because everyone is not a genius and everyone is not that much poor that he cannot qualify GATE exam in 4 months. There are so many examples I have seen. I have given already rank 22 from my coaching center. That student came, Mahesh Negi, he is in IIT Bombay. He came only for last like November he came, and November, December and January, 3 months. That time I started crash course in November month and he joined. And so people are there, they can qualify GATE exam in 4 months, but people are there, even though they will study for 4 years, they cannot qualify. What people are doing in colleges? At least they are preparing for 4 years, right? College degree, how many years? 4 years, 5 years, right? But are you guys able to complete the entire syllabus in 4-5 years? Then how can you think that you are going to qualify, cover everything in 4 months? Why I am pressurizing here? Because you have to filter your syllabus. How are you going to filter your syllabus? See guys, again, many people will be comfortable with structure. Many people will be comfortable with propulsion. No one can tell you that okay, you study propulsion, it will be good for you, you study structure. No, it doesn't work in that way. You study propulsion or you study structure because you have to judge whatever is easier for you. But one thing, either structure or propulsion, if you have not prepared anything till now, then any one subject you drop for sure, either propulsion or structure, and one subject you complete in detail, either structure or propulsion. But say, suppose if you are an average person, then believe me, if you are preparing 100% propulsion and 100% structure, then definitely you are going to improve a lot, because it is not that tough. Again, I am saying depends on person to person. So see, shortcut I am telling you. You may be thinking I am doing promotion. Of course I am doing promotion as well. See, you take my video course, okay? From that video course you make proper notes, and in that note, because see, now time is not remaining so that I can run again a fresh batch of 1 year regular batch, because after 4 months we have exam. Okay, now I am running crash course. If you are willing to join crash course in October, day 1 I am starting crash course, you can join that crash course. Or better thing, whatever video I have for the full year, I am running from Feb 15th, that course you take and you study that. In that course, whatever assignments, whatever test series I have given, you solve that. Okay, now I have 2 types of courses. In that crash course, in that video course itself, take the video course, study that, make notes, find out your doubts, and search Google, do something and solve by yourself. In that case, crash course fees will be something else. Video course fees will be something else. But if you want to discuss all those small doubts with me directly, in that case you have to pay different fees, because many students are comfortable that they don't have that much doubts. So why will I charge the same fees? That's why I am charging less fees if you are taking only the video course, and I am charging little bit more fees if you are talking about if you are also asking doubts to me. Okay, I hope things are going well. But see, in October month I am starting crash course batch. Students who have qualified GATE exam last year, but this time again they are attempting, even those students can join my crash course. Okay, students who have not prepared anything but they are thinking okay, just give a try, okay, for those students also crash course is better. If you are going to write GATE exam simply like okay, I have not prepared anything, okay, let's see what will happen in GATE exam, so 0 will come, okay, 10 marks will come, 7 marks will come, 12 marks will come. So it's better you at least you attend the crash course. Anyway, finally it is your call, you are going to attend or not, because anyway you are going to waste your money if you are going to fail. But see, in one more way I am saying, we don't know what will happen. One thing, if you are in general category rank, if you are a general category student and you are getting something like 180 rank, 200 rank, nothing will happen. Okay, if you are willing to go to IIT and getting 200 rank, 300 rank or 400 rank, something like that, then it means you are wasting. Because right now only 4 months are remaining, right? In these 4 months, what can we do? So I will filter out the subjects now. See here. You prepare thermodynamics, you prepare fluid mechanics, you prepare strength of material. These 3 core subjects you prepare first of all. Once these things are done, then based on propulsion, you have gas dynamics, you have rocket propulsion, you have jet propulsion, you have entire thing in aircraft propulsion. These things are going to be linear, right? So that's why propulsion takes time. Now, if you are preparing strength of materials, and then based on strength of material, you can prepare vibration, you can prepare aircraft structure 1, you can prepare aircraft structure 2, bending, torsion. These are important things. If you want to skip, don't skip vibration, because vibration is going to give you 2 to 3 marks and vibration questions are going to be very, very easy. Don't touch 2 degree of freedom vibration. In these 4 months, you should touch these special contents if you are remaining with 2 complete months. Because see, preparing something is not important, revision is also important, because your mind will say that okay, something is remaining to prepare, then what happens, you are going to prepare that, but actually what will happen, if you are not able to recall, if you are not able to revise, then you are going to waste the study time also and the revision time also, because in the last you are not being able to revise the syllabus in detail. Because if you are not doing revision, then whatever you have understood, that you are keeping yourself in dark, right? You may be knowing that okay, everything is in my mind, everything is in my notes, and now I'm going to perform. Revision is important, man. Whatever time we do for study purpose, almost same time we do for revision purpose. In my longer batch of what I start from Feb 15th, I take the classes, and that classes from Feb 15th to by the end of December. Actually, I'm running with flight mechanics, and in few days flight mechanics will get over. So I mean everything will get over by the end of September month. Then from October, November, December, January, 4 months we are going to discuss revision, we are going to discuss test series, we are going to discuss all the doubts in detail. All the students will improve a lot. So if you're watching my video for the very first time and you are thinking to prepare GATE exam, then you can join me next year 2023 Feb 15th day 1 class for 1 year. And if you are second year student, if you are third year student, then almost, because see what will happen, you are loaded with college work, you are loaded with your extra, maybe some of you are engaged in internship programs and all, but if you are targeting for GATE needs time. Because what are you doing in 4 years of your college? You know very well, I know very well, everyone who is watching this video, we know that what we do in 4 years of college. I am not talking about the students who are sitting into IIT, because their things goes in different way, and students who are sitting into IIT, they are far better than, I am not saying far better than you, because I don't believe in that. Sometimes people improve when they are not even in IIT. Okay, for example, Newton sir was not from IIT. Okay, for example, our Abdul Kalam sir was not from IIT. Kalpana Chawla was not from IIT. I mean to say that being from IIT is the key of success is not, no. But definitely people from IIT, they do amazing things. Okay, and definitely here I am not going to compare non-IITian with IITian. This is not my intention in this video. I mean to say that people may be thinking that I am from private college, whether I am going to qualify GATE exam or not. Definitely you can qualify GATE exam, right? But actually if you are qualifying GATE exam, then whatever things are required to qualify GATE exam, that is important. Whatever things are important to qualify GATE exam. See, completion of subject. Okay, definitely it is mandatory. So in these 4 months, what can you do? You can complete the subject, because maybe some portions are tough, but what if they are asking very easy question from that subject? What if they are asking only like which of the following is the right example of 2D vibration? What? Man, this can be possible, right? Like here in the video, I am suggesting you to leave 2 degree of freedom. What if the question will come that this is the definition of 2 degree of system, this is the definition of 2 degree. What if they are asking question only on definition? So this is the benefit of preparing 100% syllabus, but that is not practical in your case if you are just trying to prepare for 4 months. But again I am saying individuals are different. Still in this video also, if you are watching this video and there are many people, they are about to start the syllabus. In my crash course also many students will join in October month, and they will be very new, very new. Like when I will be teaching them pressure, density, temperature, that time they will be learning science. Really, I am saying you, it happens every year. So out of that, some students will qualify the exam and they will go to IIT. Some students, they will not qualify the exam, and either they will leave GATE preparation because they will be having fear, or they will prepare next year with extra dedication with me, because every year almost same situation I am seeing. Some students will, in the beginning itself, like in your college, many of your seniors, many of your juniors, many of your classmates, they will never write GATE exam because they believe that they can't qualify. And you are preparing for GATE exam because somewhere you believe that if you will prepare, you may qualify. So that is the journey, right? People who are qualifying UPSC exam, they are getting rank in top 10, 100, 200, those ranks they are getting because they decided that they have to become IAS officer, IPS officer. That's why they started preparation for UPSC. Because rumors were there in their time also, and rumors are there now also that UPSC is very tough. So are you behind rumor or you are behind the path? There is a path from point A to point B. If you follow the path, others are following the path, because after following that path only they are being successful. In same way, if you are following that path, then only you will become successful. I'll tell you, actually this year there are total 5 girls being sick from last 1.5 months. They are not preparing well, but in the beginning, Feb, March, April, other months they were preparing so good, but now they are not preparing well. So I thought just to talk to them, I had some words with them. They 2 students are actually recovering now. Still some people are having COVID. Like one of my students, she got COVID, and but she is a very good student. She's preparing hard. Okay, now leave this topic. Come to this topic again, that in 4 months you prepare thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, strength of material, and best part, you solve only examples of different books. Don't go behind exercises of any book because it will consume your time. You try to cover as max as possible with some better examples. So every book is having different and good example. Just an example, if you're preparing for fluid mechanics, which is the base of aerodynamics, then in fluid mechanics you solve all the examples of Frank and White. Okay, not there are so many sources, something called Z library, something called I forgot, Genesis, some libraries are there. Some websites are there. Actually, I am not sure they are running nowadays or not, because you can find out any book there. I'm not sure any book, but most of the books you can find there. Just do some keywords and all, and download the book and download solution as well. Because if you are downloading solution of any book and you are completing that book, then not entire thing, you just go through, like you have to be parallel with the topics what they have mentioned in our 2023 prospectus. See, I'm also going to appear in 2023, and this year again I'm going to, whatever rank, doesn't matter anyway, because this is my main work, motivating you, talking to you about GATE exam and teaching you about GATE exam. All the subjects I have covered this year on time. By the end of September, almost done. From October we'll be practicing numerical ability in detail, mathematics in detail again, because already we have done, but again from my side, because 4 months are remaining. So for my regular batch students, I'll be starting again revision courses, crash courses. So in crash courses, my regular batch students will revise their syllabus in detail again. So it is advisable to take video course or to join the crash course program. If you are joining video course, you can take the video course anytime, but if you are willing to join crash course, then crash course I'm starting October 1st, day 1. From that day you can start your preparation, and fees and all you can discuss on WhatsApp. 6380135260, 6380135260. So this is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me there. Don't call me directly, first contact me there. And what else I have to discuss? I have to discuss about yes, very important, I have to discuss about previous year question paper. See here, many students are actually thinking that let's solve previous year question paper in 4 months and that will help you. No, that is gone. That was 2015, 2015, 2016, 17. Nowadays paper question paper is very different. Model of question paper is very different. After solving previous year question paper, you will be having basic ideas that okay, these kind of question paper used to come this year, that year. But nowadays question paper is being really amazing and very beautiful question paper. Only that person can solve question paper in detail. And one more thing, guys, you may be thinking that person who is getting 10 rank, 20 rank, 30 rank, 40 rank, 100 rank. They are amazing. They are scoring 90 marks, 80 marks. No, in aerospace, this is not the situation. Really, I am telling you, in aerospace department, you have to fight with 40 to 50 best students. That's all. Really, I am telling you, you have to fight with 40 to 50 best student. And you know what is the magical fact here? Those 40 to 50 best students, they are not from rank 1 to rank 50. No, no, no. Actually, in that 40 to 50 students, many students, they will do huge mistakes and they will go till 300 rank, 350 rank. This is every year's game. You may be knowing many of your seniors, they are actually good in studies, but they are not doing so good in GATE exam because they do mistake. And not only mistakes, they don't prepare the entire syllabus also in detail. See, I am saying in detail. Okay, what they do, okay, this topic I know, that topic I know, this topic I know, that topic I know, okay, let's solve some previous year question paper and let's go to GATE exam and memorize some formulas and okay, choking, this, that, and let's visit to the, no, man. So I am saying that it is the reality. If you will not do mistake in GATE exam, you are going to be in top 50 for sure. I do get mistake every year. Every year I do mistake. I know about this thing. I know about my knowledge. I know about my revision. I know about my strategy. At personal level, if I talk how do I prepare, I'll make a separate video. With honesty, I discuss all small points like how do, because my memory is not that good. I used to forget things easily. And main thing about forgetting formulas and main things, like mostly because concept wise it is very difficult to beat me concept wise, I am saying. But formula wise, if suddenly you will ask, sir, what is the nozzle efficiency formula? So when I am teaching in the class, that time I am coming step by step, then slowly I am able to recall the memory and I can develop the formula. But suddenly if you will ask me the formula, so this is my weakness. So even I used to mug up lot of formulas before 30 days, 50 days, 40 days, like with my students. When they are writing topic wise test series, I used to mug up the formulas, mug up. Because that time they will be asking so many doubts. Like 72 hours before GATE exam, my day used to be like anything. Completely, I used to be with students and continuously they will be asking doubts. Like last year for 2022 exam, my center was in Chennai center in Madipakkam area, Chennai center, next to Madipakkam area in Chennai. So till I was entering into the into the center, students were asking me doubts, and I didn't sleep well from last 72 hours, and the Jan month goes like anything, because all students will be asking doubts like more than anyone else. I think, like I am saying like something very hyper, but more than anyone, like my WhatsApp and my phone used to be busy 24 hours during Jan month, like one earphone and one charger. So lot of motivation you require, because in these 4 months you are going to be nervous so many times, and mostly when November will be running, you will be in dilemma, because till November you will be thinking whether you will qualify or not, whether you will qualify or not, this topic to study or not, that topic to leave or not. Like these type of dilemma will be there, and many of you will be thinking, okay sir, leave everything this year, next year. Like it happens, we say that no, not this year, next year, and next year also they will do the same. This is what you have continuously coming and doing in your semester exams. Right now I'm not trying to blame any college or anyone, that because college is not serious, professors are not serious and something. No, I'm not going to talk about those bullshit things. Everything is having its own time to discuss right now in these coming 4 months. And one more thing, last thing, what these 4 months you are saying, even in these 4 months, so many times you will go up, you will come down. It's not like that from now you will start and continuously you will be going like a machine for these 4 months. No, whether you prepare for 1 month or 1 year, ups and downs, nervousness level, motivational level. But one thing, from now onwards I'll be making videos so that I can be in touch with you. And one thing, someone said that make videos for view. Go and check how many views I'm getting. 33 views, 44 views, 50 views, and on these views we don't earn money. My main source of income is your direct fees. Okay, You see, when how many people are watching aerospace videos? You check any video, na? Check any video, how many people are watching videos? 33, 55, 60. That's why many people are not making videos on aerospace, because input is required. But actually there are no, what to say, we don't have crowd in aerospace. We don't have crowd. You may be seeing that, okay, some 60, 50, 40, maybe 90, maybe 20 or something students strength sitting with you in your class for aerospace aeronautical, but reality is from one college only 1 or 2 students will be interested in GATE exam, maybe 10. And if you check how many people are serious about GATE exam, you see the example of your college, how many people are serious about GATE exam. They are thinking, okay, abroad. See, man, it happens. Now you count how many people are serious. Very easy to count. How many colleges are there in India? They have aeronautical aerospace branch. How many colleges? 50, 80, 70. Then from one college, how many people are serious? 1, maybe 0, maybe 2, maybe you are not. So where is the fight? Fight is only like very few students. If you compare aerospace with mechanical aerospace, very tough. Why very tough? Because I personally, one thing, for example, many things are not properly decided. For example, heat transfer. If you see the prospectus of our GATE aerospace, heat transfer, that's all. That heat transfer, radiation, conduction, convection, what will come? We don't know. So, whatever PET syllabus is given, in that PET syllabus, you prepare from point A to point B, everyone is going, you also go on same thing. If you want to become Einstein or genius or something else, like you want to become super genius, you do that after GATE exam. In these 4 months, limit yourself, focus on only that topic what is clearly mentioned in our aerospace department book, sorry, the prospectus of 2023. And I have to talk a lot about 2023 almost every day. Now only 4 months are remaining. Today only I applied for GATE aerospace 2023. Today only I applied. Roughly 3 minutes, some 7 seconds. I filled the form because it's been so many years I'm continuously applying, and before my application I filled many students' application. So I had so much idea, and I think I will be getting a strike on my signature because I have uploaded, I think I have uploaded signature in less size. KB was okay, 47 KB, but I think my size was not correct. In hurry I uploaded that in today morning. So, and one more thing, if you are getting any kind of encounter from their side that this is particular error in your this thing, don't be panic. You will be having sufficient time to rectify your error, and if you are my own student or if you are willing to join anything for anything, I mean for GATE preparation at all, you can talk to me. But if you are not my student, if you have not joined me, keep watching this YouTube video, the entire series of GATE guidance. I'll be there, okay? And one request, please. If you are not my student, please don't ask me on WhatsApp that, sir, please give me some guidance, sir, please books, sir, what should I do? Because see, already whatever time I have divided among students, okay, my own students. So if you will be asking that thing forcefully, that, sir, please suggest me, sir, I don't have guidance, sir, please suggest me, sir, this, sir, that, sir. So this video is like whatever I am talking here, I want to talk genuinely here. If you have anything to ask me, better you post here. Because if you will come to my WhatsApp, then I feel very pity about myself that I am not able to connect with you in detail because I don't know all the queries about you. Okay. So I hope this video is going to add something in your preparation level, and if it is really worth, then your time is worth. And that's all. Let's meet on WhatsApp if you are interested in admission. Thank you so much.